Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. So recently a user commented on one of my video and threw a problem statement at me and said, how can we address this particular problem? So I thought I will make a tutorial on that and explain it to you as to how we can achieve this. Now what the problem statement is that I have category, I have order date, and then I have state column over here. So here what I want to achieve is basically I want to know by category which was the last date from which we received the order from. So based on the date over here, for example, in the technology category, 7th Jan was the last order that we received, and I want to know from which date did we get that order. That is what exactly I have over here. For example, if we look at technology, we received this from Michigan. Likewise, if I look at furniture over here, the last order was placed on 8th Jan 2020 and the state here was Washington and exactly is being displayed over here. So this is what we will be learning today as to how we can achieve this using DAX, a very simple DAX. So let's get started with this tutorial. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on these three ellipses here and click on new measure. So on this new measure, I'm going to call this as last placed ordered state. I'm going to start with calculate function over here, calculate, and then I'm going to type in first non-blank. So this will basically return the value which is first non-blank. And it's asking us to enter the column name. In my case, this is column state. So I'm going to enter that and then followed by a comma and 1. I'm going to close the bracket here once to close the bracket here for the first non-blank. And then I'm going to type in filter. What is it that I want to filter? I want to filter the table first over here in this case. I'm going to enter my table name, which is sales, and then followed by a comma. And then I'm going to type in the order date. So my order date needs to be is equals to the maximum date of that particular category. So I'm going to just say order date over here, close the bracket once, twice, and thrice. So let's go back to our report page over here and bring in, I'm going to create a new table here of category and then bring in the new measure that we just created, which is last placed order by state. I'm going to quickly format this particular table and we now have the exact values that we wanted by that particular state. So this is how you can retrieve a value based on a max state of a particular column. So that's it guys in this particular tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. You've learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.